What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of From the Neighborhood. And you may have noticed that I've been producing a lot of videos for the Pro Homeworks team over at Century Homes. And each video brings on a new home buying opportunity. Well, for this episode, I don't have one. But what I do have is a great adventure. But first, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Do you remember the last time I had to break into a house? Please! If not, make sure to click on the link right here so you can check out that past episode. By now, you probably already guessed what this one's gonna be about, so let's get started.
So in New York, we have massive traffic. Everyone tells me, oh, everything's so close. I go, yeah, in miles, but in time, it takes forever to go. But you know what?
So hold on, hero. Let me give you the backstory. This home was actually coming to the market very soon. It was scheduled for what I call a pre-production walkthrough. And yes, somebody did break in. So now it's like the fairy tale of Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Okay, so we're at the property, safety first. We're calling the police. They should be here soon. Right now, I'm just trying to get my paperwork together because when they get here, I got to show them that we own the property. Right now, we just kind of lay low and stay away from the property so we don't have any sort of altercation, create any static basically. So let the cops come here and they'll clear it out for us and we'll get back to doing our job. So right now we have them saying that they live at the premises and that they've been here for well over 2 months now, which is obviously not true because we have all the paperwork and photographs proving otherwise. So the office is working with them and I gotta say he's working out pretty well, but he's obviously trying to hide the fact that he's not supposed to be here.
So now that the home is cleared, I meet with the locksmith who starts to change the locks, and I go ahead and become Mr. Fix-It, trying to resecure that window that the trespassers broke into. So with that done, we wrap up the job site. And something I was gonna say, but I just don't So with that done, we wrap up the job site. And hopefully the next episode is about a great neighborhood and a home that you could own. So make sure to subscribe. I'm from the neighborhood and I know you are too. And if you have a home you'd like me to film, let me know, reach out. In the meantime, I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.